Let's dive into division. 336 divided by 2. Hey awesome learners! If you're having fun learning math, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more super cool math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 336 by 2. Get ready. We look at the first digit of 336, which is 3. We're using just this one digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract. 3 minus 2 equals 1. That's our remainder for this step. You're doing awesome. One step down. We bring down the next digit, 3, to join our remainder 1. Now we have 13. Okay, we have 13. Let's keep going. We're using the remainder 1 and the next digit 3, making it 13. We're using 2 digits now. How many times does 2 fit into 13? It fits 6 times. Let's check. 6 times 2 is 12. Subtracting 12 from 13 gives us 1. Hooray, another remainder. You're a math superstar. Keep up the amazing work. Time to bring down the last digit, 6, to join our remainder 1. Now we have 16. We're on the last step. We have 16. You got this. We use the remainder 1 and the last digit 6, making it 16. We're still using 2 digits here. How many times does 2 fit into 16? It fits exactly 8 times. Let's check. 8 times 2 is 16. Subtract 16 from 16 and we get 0. No remainder this time. Woohoo, you totally nailed it. High five. And that's it. We've divided 336 by 2. Our final answer is 168. So we found out that 336 divided by 2 is 168. We did it! We conquered 336 divided by 2 using the steps of long division. Remember, every problem is just a puzzle waiting to be solved. Great job, math explorers! Keep practicing and you'll be a division whiz in no time. Check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.